Okay guys, I have another grocery haul for you. I told you I wasn't gonna do this, but I did get another thing of Bogos. Quite a bit of Bogos. What? The last time I posted was Tuesday, so yeah. Anyway, so I was just going to the store real quick, but I'm feeling really good today. I think the worst is over, whatever was going on with me. And I'm like, you know what, I'm going to just do a full haul because I haven't done that in a while. And I can't keep going back to the store every day, every 2 days, every 3 days. It's getting expensive because you spend more, yada, yada, yada. Anyway, so let me show you the Bogo first. So the Suja organic juices I've been buying was buy one, get one free. So I bought 2 of those. The late July chips that I like were still 2 for $5. And I bought some craisins. Those were buy one, get one free. Yes, they have sugar in them. But first of all, these 2 packages will probably last till the rest of the year. We don't eat a whole lot of them. Like, I put like a little small handful in our salads. And maybe a little treat for the littles when they come over. Although I've never given them to those, so I don't know, but it's an option. And the Springer chicken was on sale at Publix. It was buy one, get one free, so I stocked up and got 4 of those. The Eggland's Best Eggs were on sale, 2 for $4, so that was a good deal. I usually buy the 18-pack, and so this was cheaper than buying that. The Noosa yogurt was on sale, buy one, get one free, so I got 2 of those. The caramel for hubby, the blueberry for me. And then the Bush's black beans and garbanzo beans were on sale for 79 cents, so I got 2 of each of those. And it reminded me that I needed to start stocking up on hurricane supplies. Let me know if you would like to see a video in the comments below of hurricane prep video or something like that. Usually, honestly, I do it last minute, so I figured if I make a video and do it now, which there's already been a, well, there was one hurricane. Well, I don't know, did that turn into a hurricane or Berto, or was that just a storm? I guess that was just a storm, babe.
Not me.
And then there's one brewing out in the East Coast, so I don't know. Not. So I got a Greenwise whole chicken. I got some strawberries, all this stuff. Some of this stuff was on sale, but not buy one, get one free. Obviously, I needed some cumin, and I was out. Obviously, that's why I needed some. And so I got a big thing of this. I think it was like $4. And the Ocean Spray juice was not on sale. The juice cocktail was on sale, and I mistakenly bought that one time, and I need to buy the 100% juice. I bought hubby some Gasidian Farms cereal. I'm going to mix that. I bought some grass-fed beef burgers. I bought some ham for treats for the cat. And the last haul, I bought some salsa. It was buy one, get one free. Hubby really liked it, but I didn't. He doesn't like tomatoey things, and that was pretty good. It wasn't all, I don't know. It was more, it was, what did they call that? Pico de gallo. Yes, that's what they called that. So it was more like that, and I like this better, so I bought that. We still have some of the other left. I bought some tomatoes, cucumbers. The mushrooms, I believe, were on sale. I bought some lemons and limes for to make waters. I've been bad about that this week again. Jalapenos, of course, for hubby. A green pepper. I did buy some at Target the other day. And the Makoto's dressing was on sale, so I bought some. And, of course, my espresso Califia coffee, and I bought zucchini and yellow squash. Not a bad price, I don't think. Usually it's more expensive than that. I'm guessing because it's summer, it's cheaper, because I usually can get it cheaper at Aldi's, but I don't want to go to Aldi's right now. I just went the other week, so I'll go at the end of the month. And I forgot a few things at the store. Well, I didn't have a list with me. Like I said, I was only going for a few things. So recently, hubby and I have been having this I don't know, concoction that I made with some chicken sausage that I bought from Publix, and I forgot to buy that. So if you would like to see that recipe, recipe, it was just on the fly. I kind of cut up the sausage, onions, green peppers, mushrooms, and then threw in this rice. And yes, it's better to make your rice yourself because this has a lot of sodium in it, but you know, it's better than eating out. And when I don't feel like cooking, this is a good option, and it's actually pretty yummy. Hubby likes it. Hubby requested the oranges, so they didn't have any cuties. This is what they had.
Hurry up, I'm missing Mad Monkey Kung Fu.
He wants to watch TV, and I told him turn it off so I could video. And I got some mint for my water, and I got some coconut. I was looking for unsweetened coconut, and this is all they had. All the other brands were sweetened, so this was more expensive. We'll see if I like that being unsweetened, because I'm trying to put this in my oatmeal without the sugar in it. And yeah, so there's that. So I got the carrots, and then this is the non-food items. We needed some what do you call these things? What are they called? Lint brush. That's what they're called. And I got some sponges, and I got some kitchen bags, and I got some Kind bars, and some random things. I got 2 placemats because the other week I bought 2 yellow placemats just like this, but because they only had 2, so I wanted to get 2 more, but they didn't have them again, and I wanted a set of 4, so this is for the patio. So I got 2 of these, and I got this for the bathroom because the kids have been coming over every week, and they waste so much soap, so I thought I would buy this foaming soap pump and see how that works out. And of course I got some ibuprofen, some potassium I was out of, and I got this. And some of this stuff I realized I could get cheaper other places, but I don't know if I could find this. I thought this was pretty cool. I need this for some to hang backpacks on, and I need it to be instead of just putting a screw and a hook in the door, I don't think it will be supportive enough, so I bought that. So one of the, oh, and I got a thing of the Angel Soft toilet paper. The last time I went to Aldi's, it was actually more expensive. I believe it was, this was $9.99, and it was, the Aldi's brand of Angel Soft was $6.99, but the last time I went, it was $9.99. And it's not as soft, so I just went ahead and bought that for, instead. So it occurred to me while I was at Publix to go ahead and look up some of these things and see if they are cheaper at Target, because I've been ordering stuff from Target, mainly cat food. The cat food that I buy, the case of cat food, is $13 at Target, and it was $16 at Publix because they recently raised their price. It always was a little bit more, but not that much more. So I'm like, I am just gonna bulk up on the cat food and buy it from Target. So when I was at the grocery store, I started looking up prices on things, and yeah. So if they were cheaper at Target, I just went ahead and put them right in my cart right there at the grocery store while I was thinking about it, because that's why sometimes I buy stuff, because if I wait to buy it out in the store, I'll forget that I need it. I don't know. I probably should have put some of these things. Now this I know I probably could get cheaper at Target, but the other day I was there and I bought the honey oat ones, and they didn't have any of the dark chocolate, so I went ahead and bought them. But now that I think of it, that was probably dumb, because if I buy it online, I can get it. They just didn't have it at the store. Whatever, what's done is done. I will going to try to do that more often. I just thought of it when I was at the store. Check the prices and see if it's cheaper at Target, and then I can get it shipped to the house, and then I can do less shopping, yada yada yada. And I do need to go to Aldi's. I know the prices there are cheaper, but anyhow. And I did get a thing of Pringles, and hubby already grabbed them before I started this video, and he's munching on them already. And I did a boo-boo, and or whatever, and because I wasn't going to go on a full grocery run, and of course I didn't clean out my refrigerator before I went, and so now I gotta find a place for all this stuff in this mess. So yeah, that's it, guys. Enjoy your day. Alright, you get a little bonus clip of food prep. So, refrigerator's all organized. I realized so messy that my refrigerator is so messy. I had way too many of these juices. No more buying juices. Yogurt's here. A few leftovers. Most of the other leftovers got thrown away. Yeah. Not fitting. So this is organized somewhat. Salad fixings in here. I still need to clean out that drawer. This is fruit. Yeah. So, and these are all the drinks. So, and I got all the meat cut up. Put the whole chicken in the freezer. That's for another day. I don't know what we're having tonight, actually. So that made 8 things for 8 meals of chicken plus 2 meals of hamburger. That's 10. That'll last the month. And right now I'm going to shred some cheese. I bought this cheese at Aldi's a while ago, and then I shredded it. So hubby's gonna make breakfast, and yeah, and then that's it. So there's a little bonus food prep. Alright, the cheese is all done, and I'm going to pop this all in the freezer and be done with that. And hubby is over here making me some breakfast. I hope y'all enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.